Welcome to WILDsides. Today we're going to be learning how to use the Survivor filter. So let's get right to it. The Survivor filter cannot filter salt water, so we're going to be using the stream that's leading to the ocean, that is fresh water, to be filtered. And here is our filter. First, let's go over the parts. Here we have the pre-filter. This is the part that's going to be going into the water, and it's got a little float on here for convenience, so it's floating in the water. And inside is a filter that will filter out big gritty stuff like silt and sand or whatever's in the water. Then it's got a tube that will lead into the input on the filter. Then once we pop off this little thing with a handy dandy cup if you need it, you're gonna have your pump right here for pumping the water through, like that. And inside is a carbon filter to filter out stuff like heavy metals and organic matter. And then on top is the ultra filter to get whatever the other filters didn't get. And then by the time it comes out here, which is going to attach to this other tube, you're gonna have some nice clean filtered water. So to use our filter, we will first connect the input tube to the input side, and all things are clearly labeled so that you know. And then you're going to put the output tube on the output side, just like that. And now we will place our pre-filter in the water. And now we're gonna put our output tube into our water container. And now for the fun part. Make sure that your handle is facing outward so that it is unlocked, and you can begin to pump away. And the water is moving from over there in the pre-filter through the system into the cup, just crystal clear. Now, when you're looking for a water source, you want to find the best looking water source, you know, minimum pollution, because that will ensure a longer lasting life for your filters. They don't get so clogged up and all that. And there you have it, guys, some nice, clean, cool, drinkable water. For the most part, the survival filters like this one are gonna work in a similar way depending on what brand it is. You might wanna make sure that you read your instructions, know the precautions and the limits of each filter. And no, this video is not sponsored. They didn't send this to me for free. It just happens to be the survival filter that I use, and I really like it. So yeah, go ahead and find your own according to your liking. But this one comes with a handy dandy little carrying case, and it's super easy to fit in your backpack and works great. So, well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to use the Survivor filter. My name's Alec, stay wild, and I'll see you next time. Now this pre-filter is going to be filtering out the salt, or not the salt,